You look good.
Thanks.
You haven't changed your clothes since Friday, though.
You know.
It's Monday!
It is.
And it's a quick tip.
It is.
What are we doing?
What are we quick tipping on?
Oh, I got it done.
Yes.
We're going to install accessories onto our flex stack.
Yes.
We're going to install the cord holder.
Yes.
Cobra.
And
we're going to install the level
holder.
Where's the level?
Oh, it's over here.
We're going to install the Joey Junior, the tool rail, the side one. And yeah, we'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. Here you can see how the level works. Here's how the cord, the tool rail, multifunction. You can hold these internal cups that come in this box. You can also, if you are a Flex fan, I am sorry, look away. You can hang your Milwaukee drills on the side or other things that have hooks. So it's a pretty easy install. So go ahead and watch, and
let's get to it.
We'll be back. And stick around, because at the end I'm going to tell you why you watch this video.
That's right.
All right, let's go. Okay, so we're at the workbench. We've got a bunch of the accessories laid out here. On this small one, we're going to install one of these Joey Junior-like things. We like to call it by the original. These come in 2 packs. They have a larger one that's meant for the front. Again, this one is meant for the side, like a Joey Junior.
They call it the side tool rack rails.
So they give you all these brackets. They give you the hardware to attach the bracket to the box, and they give you the hardware to attach the steel to the bracket attached to the box. Very simple install. We're going to go ahead and show it to you. We also have the the cord Cobra-like product. And honestly, like, I really want to break these, but since I'm giving these away, I think they call it, this one is the storage cord wrapper.
This one's called the level holder.
This one, yeah, so
they were real original with these.
I know, they should have just added lizard and Cobra. Let's go ahead and let's put this guy on, the tool holder, and then we can show them what it does.
Okay.
So I am going to grab me some bolts. The bigger ones, please.
The longer ones?
Yes.
Or the thicker ones? How many do you need?
So we're going to prop our butt up. I'm going to need one more after this. We could use power tools, but why? Because these will really take no time. This is the quickest install ever.
Then these attached to that?
Yeah, let me turn this a little bit more for them. Okay, so now there's holes here. Got little places to clip stuff. Okay, so let me grab me 4 smalls, and I'll grab the wrench. The holes are slotted so that you've got some play.
Seems like a pretty easy install.
Yeah, I mean,
I guess that's what they get when they have all these big wigs and, you know, a massive shop. It's not like these little guys.
Right.
You know.
Well, the stuff that's about to come out from StackPack for the PACKOUT, that is basically a rail with a nut in it for the PACKOUT, is going to make it this easy to install stuff. But what's made the Milwaukee tool one a pain in the butt, which I'll give it to Flex to say, hey, let's put rib nuts on. Yeah. Right? That's easy.
Yeah, that
was awesome.
Was like 10 seconds.
So should we move on to another tool?
Yeah.
Okay. The cord Cobra, and we want to keep it out of the way of this handle.
Because it goes through the front.
So for the cord Cobra, the cord holder, we're just going to put these on. We're going to use the bottom holes so that way the cord doesn't get in the way. Okay. Thank you, Vanna.
Mm-hmm. And then these get attached with the long ones?
Yes. And look, they even say flex, so we'll want to make sure we...
One goes there, I think, right?
Yep.
So where are you going to put the level? Yeah.
Okay, so cord holder done.
Ooh, one more.
Yes, the level.
Might get out of the way for a second.
Right? You want to do the level lizard?
Yes.
Let's not.
It's level holder. Level holder.
Okay, can you guys see? Okay.
You need these guys, right?
Yep. So we always got to start with those.
I can see this is easy for me to remember. I can remember this. Does it matter which way they go? Or are they universal?
Looks like they're universal, which is, you know, smart.
So this goes at the top here then?
Yep. Oh, you already put the...
I did.
Oh.
Well, you could have used mine, but okay.
My tip was stuck.
Yeah.
Some people got the grip. Never mind.
And then these go on the bottom, right?
Friendly. That's it. I've done it.
Woohoo.
Now, here's my question. They are compatible. You can mix and match, right? So now that you have this on here, obviously the Joey Jr. doesn't go on the base, but the Joey for the front could. Here, let me show you. So they did think ahead. The holes here will allow this to knot, right? Obviously, if you put it here, you could reach your handles, but since you have it here, now you can't reach your latches, not handles. So you gotta come under, you gotta get that little finger under game.
That's like good practice.
You gotta have a good strong, right? Mm-hmm. There you go.
Woo!
Now, you can put this on your next box, but that means, and I always like to keep them both on my bottom box, because if you have them both on your bottom and you don't want to carry around the intermediary that has this on it, then that's super annoying. Otherwise, this thing's just floppy woppy. So,
nobody likes a floppy.
Nobody likes it floppy. All right, so we've got them all installed.
And we're back! It's all installed!
It's magic.
Woo!
Little fast forward, little chipmunk sounds. They're on. And they work.
Yes.
Okay? You saw that. You liked it. Obviously, you saw the intro, so you know that it was already installed. But, thank you for sticking around, because now you're going to win it.
Woo!
Because she doesn't want me to collect any more stuff, especially if it's not red.
So
we're 3 winners in this video. We're going to give away the cord,
the level, and then the rail mount.
and then the rail mounts.
Yes.
And you had an idea.
Okay, so my idea was that I wanted people to comment what the first flex stack pack was that they bought, right?
Like, did they buy a pack of 3?
Right, did
or
they buy
the
all
rolling
3,
unit?
or did they buy the rolling unit, or maybe they bought the organizer, and what would be the next one that you would buy? So they got a comment. Hit like, subscribe, so that you guys can see more giveaways.
And if you're one of the Flex fanboys that's watching us, let us know why you think the Flex is better than the Milwaukee.
Yeah, that's good to know too.
Awesome. Well, we're done. It's a Monday.
We're done. It's Monday. It's time.
I'm going to turn off the camera.
Yes,
you can walk.
it's
Because what is it? I hate to see you leave, but I love to watch you go.
Watch you go. Yep. Bye.
See ya.